अभी कुछ लगता ही नहीं है। अभी इतना काम कर लिया साथ में, ऐसे कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि सेट पे किसी को स्टार के साथ काम कर रहा है।
औरों में कहाँ दम था कि मेरे साथ इतनी फिल्में कर लेते।
रियल लाइफ में मैं बताता हूँ,
रियल लाइफ में
जैसे-
बोल ही नहीं सकते
एक
बिकॉज
सेकंड रियल लाइफ में जैसे ही शॉट पूरा होता है आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है, ये हो गया यार, वो देख गर्मी कितनी है, ये देख ये हो गया, तो यही चलता है बस।
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती।
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता ही
झूठ
नहीं।
मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को।
Right from the days I was working with Bhatt Saab from Zakham days, where I had the privilege of working with Ajay ji. So, media used to ask me, why are you doing only for Bhatt Saab in Hindi? So, I used to correct them. So, please, change your question. Why are they giving me why only Bhatt Saab is giving me chances? So, after the interview was done, every time I used to ask myself a question, औरों में कहाँ दम था, तो आंसर मिल गया in form of Neeraj Pandey. So it's working with Neeraj ji is like staying at home, because the place where I work here and Mumbai itself become a home away from home. Thank you, Neeraj ji, for believing in me constantly. And this film has been a very great journey for the past 2 years, and we enjoyed every moment of it. I hope you will enjoy the film too. Thank you.
It really touched me, it really moved me. And then, you know what sealed it was when Neeraj immediately narrated me this, made me hear the song.
Yeah.
The,
One song was recorded when we had met. So.
and it was just apt, and everything fell into place.
I think for me, growing up, my father's favorite actor has always been Tabu ma'am, and he's told me this time and again since they worked in Astitva together. So I think her choreograph and her journey is so inspiring, and Ajay sir's versatility is so inspiring for any young actor. And I think, yeah, these two.
Quite same, I would say. Tabu ma'am, obviously, her performances and her versatility as well. And with Ajay sir, I think sir ki choice of picking up stories and coming up with something new, and his dialogue delivery, obviously, which you said. So I think that.
मेरा मानना उसके लिए भी सेंसिटिविटी की ज़रूरत होती है, चाहे वो वेडनेसडे थी या बेबी थी, अलग तरह का पैशन है उसमें. But I really don't know how to answer that one. It's a part of the storytelling job, I guess.
It's a very 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 deep question. I think उसको आंसर करने के लिए बहुत बहुत वक्त लग जाएगा. But what I've got and what I cherish the most, I think, is the love and respect and appreciation that I've got from everybody all around the country, from all around the world. I think there is nothing that can equal that, and it's genuine love.
फीलिंग्स है वो, और चाहे किसी भी किस्म की फीलिंग्स हो, वो और गहराई में जाती हैं. यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग डीपर, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग डीपर, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव व्हिचएवर वे. तो आप काफ़ी चीज़ें एनालाइज करते हो जो आप एक उम्र तक नहीं करते हो. एक उम्र तक वो एक बचपना होता है जो जब चला जाता है तो जो एक्चुअल फीलिंग्स है वो आपको नज़र आनी शुरू होती हैं या समझनी शुरू होती हैं.
सिनेमा का जहाँ तक सवाल है, ये बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन आई थिंक फिल्म मेकर्स का भी रहा है. इस फिल्म में I should give the credit to Neeraj for envisioning this love story with me and Ajay. और I think हमारी, like you said, society बदलती है तो हमारा सिनेमा बदलता है, हमारा entertainment बदलता है. So I think it's nice. So yeah, society changes almost everything around you. There is no age. I think आजकल वो सब labels चले गए हैं ना कि romance is only for the young. Like he said, the depth of feelings and the way you look at love and romance changes with age, and I think there is space for all of that. आज सिनेमा में हर चीज़ के लिए जगह है. But of course ये सारी चीज़ें coincide होंगी तो ही ऐसी फिल्में बनती हैं. Script writers, directors, actors, vision, distributors, और फिर audience का taste.
मैंने पहले वाले में बहुत अवॉइड की थी. आपने घेर ही लिया है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी बताने वाला नहीं हूँ कि लड़की है कि भाग गई है कि क्या है. तो बस इतना ही है.
But it's the same as in 1824 or 1724 or 1624. The feelings are have always been the same. It's just that how much more you express and how much you can and you can't. So the feelings don't change. I think the whole process since humanity has been the same.
I want to first of all thank Neeraj for this. It, I don't know, it feels great, of course, but if we see it as, if we underline it that romance only belongs to the young or to a certain age group, then it changes, the whole definition changes and the way you look at it changes. Whereas, like I said, I don't think there is any barrier when you talk about romance and love and relationships. Actually, it's more relationship than love and romance, I feel. And human relationships are the most interesting thing that have lent themselves for cinema. And and love and attraction is a part of that human relationship. I think that's the most beautiful thing to explore, I think, for a filmmaker also, because there is no end to, where you can take that relationship.
Yeah, there are always these doubting Thomases in your lives, right? So you do what you want to do, simply ignore that sort of advice and go on with your conviction. Since everybody is doing action, maybe it was more imperative that I do a love story then.
Just like any other love story, in any other love story, there are, 4 or 5 songs in this, love songs in this movie. But my favorite one is a song which speaks about life itself. Because love is nothing but a part of life. It's only one factor of life. So it comes in the titles, sung by Maithili Thakur. So it's my all-time favorite song. And Neeraj ji used to joke on me, sir, you are doing nothing but singing the song. Just please forget the song and just aage chalo. Let's do work. So I am very happy for doing this song, and I can't wait for the release of that particular song.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मतलब एक्शन करके फर्स्ट टाइम. इट्स एज एन एक्टर ऑब्वियसली यू कीप वांटिंग टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू, और इसमें वो मौका मिला मुझे करने का. सो आई वाज रियली नर्वस, बट एट द सेम टाइम सर का एकदम चिल वाइब है. सो तो सर एकदम लाइक कामली, हाँ कर, आराम से कर.
More than difficult, I would say it is very important to stay different. Though when Neeraj narrated me this story, I'll be very honest. I told him I love the script, I love the story, it touches you so much. I don't know commercially what is going to happen. He says, don't worry, leave it on me. And I said, okay. But otherwise...
He also said that why are we not making a spy film?
So...
And I told him that will come later.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so वो जो आप बोल रही हैं वो कई बार हल्का सा डाउट आता है दिमाग में, बट मोर देन दैट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कुछ अलग अलग करते रहें. और मैंने कोशिश ये शुरू से की है कि करूं. आई मीन जब कोई नहीं करता था तब मैंने तक्षक की या रेनकोट की या दिल क्या करे. आई थिंक दैट केप्ट मी गोइंग. उससे उन चीज़ों से जो मैं सीखा हूँ, आई थिंक वो सब आज काम आती हैं. दिस क्वेश्चन पीपल हैव बीन आस्किंग, बट आप देखिए फिल्में आती रहती हैं जिनमें फीमेल लीड टेक द लीड. And I think it's got nothing to do with courage. It just depends on a good script. और जब किसी को कोई कहानी मिल जाती है जिसमें एक फीमेल लीड बहुत स्ट्रांग हो, तो लोग जाके they make it. आप सब चाहते हैं कि इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीते. I think हर देश के लोग चाहते होंगे कि उनका देश ये कप जीते. बट हम सब देर तक जागते हैं और होप करते हैं और अपसेट भी होते हैं जब ऊपर नीचे हो रहा होता है. तो आई होप कि हम ये वर्ल्ड कप के बाद ये कह सके कि औरों में कहाँ दम था.